So now I'm gonna show you on how to make a Pokeball, an unopenable Pokeball. So guys, you need a ball, and ball. You need to tape. You need you need a white tape and tape it like just here, and you need a red balloon and just stretch it like this and put it here. And you need an electrical tape. This is my electrical tape, and this is how you make it. First, put the center in it, and like this, and this, and this, and this, and this. See guys, and this, and this, and this. Can you see guys? Can you see clearly? And guys, you just need a circle and just cut us and use a marker, a black marker to cover it black, and just get a white bond paper and cut a circle and tape it. And now it's almost done. This is my Pokeball, guys, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you my Pokeball, my openable Pokeball. Guys, here it is, and here it has Pikachu, and guys, look, it sticks to the face. And guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment below, like, and share. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.